Three new NASA missions are on a million-mile journey to track weather in space. They took off from the launch space acceleration probe, or IMAP. NASA says it will give scientists information that could help predict solar storms more accurately. And this morning, millions of people in Hong Kong and southern China are feeling the effects of Typhoon Ragasa. It is one of the strongest destruction in Taiwan. Freya reports now from Beijing.
Typhoon Ragasa, the most powerful tropical storm on Earth this year, hammered Hong Kong and southern China with gusting winds at more than 120 miles per hour at times. It's been churning for days across the South China Sea. The sheer size of it captured from space and putting millions here in China on high alert. In Hong Kong, the rain was so heavy that seawater burst through the doors of a hotel lobby. Ragasa first hit the Philippines earlier this week, causing flooding and landslides, then crossed south of Taiwan, where a lake burst, causing massive and deadly flooding there. Areas now delivering aid. Ragasa then made landfall for a second time, hitting Guangdong province here in China, authorities taking no chances and evacuating more than 1 million people to shelters, according to state media. Experts say typhoons like this are getting stronger and more destructive every year because of warming seas and climate change. At one point, this typhoon was equivalent to a Category 5 hurricane. Ragasa is expected to weaken now as it moves toward Vietnam and Laos, still bringing a lot of rain and more destruction. But in Chinese megacities like Guangzhou and Shenzhen, the streets have been eerily empty as millions have been warned to stay inside and wait for the storm to pass. Janice Freya, NBC News, Beijing.
And let's get to our KCRA3 weather here. Meteorologist Ophelia Young, we've had quite a few changes in our region in the last day.
Yeah, it's like a switch flipped. Yesterday, it felt like summer. Today, it looks and feels like fall with temperatures significantly cooler as we step out and we look up to the skies. A sea of clouds. They've even arrived to our camera setter views to our north. Now, this is at 6 o'clock this morning.